what's up everyone? My name's Chris Mia. I'm from Warren, Michigan, just outside of Detroit. I'm super excited to announce this cruise endorsement. So exciting. I've been playing for about 8 years. Had a little hiatus in the middle, starting a family and house and all that. I'm playing Collision 5B. These things are monsters, dude. They take a beating. They're heavy hitters. Make that snare crack, man. Yeah, here's a little mashup of my stuff I've done online. I don't have any video of live shows. The guitar on this was done by Ryan Ellis. Go check him out on TikTok. He's a fantastic guitar player too. Thank you guys. Here you go.